Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and removing any disk. You want a clean state and to rule out damaged media. Next, boot the Ps3 into safe mode and run Restore File System. This fixes corrupted file records that trigger copyright errors. Once done, run Rebuild Database to reorganize storage and clear confused references. If the error persists, prepare a FAT32 USB with the official Ps3 update. You'll use it in the next step to repair firmware-related copyright data. You'll now address firmware and optical drive causes. Put the official update file in /ps3/update on a FAT32 USB stick, then boot safe mode and select System Update from USB. This reinstalls copyright DB entries that validate disks. While that runs, test other original disks. Consistent failures point to the drive. If only some disks fail, gently clean the lens with compressed air or a lens clean disk to remove reading errors. These steps fix mismatched signatures or read failures that cause the invalid copyright message. If firmware and cleaning don't stop the error, move to hardware. Back up your HDD, then try a full system reinstall from USB. If that still fails, the Blu-ray assembly is likely faulty and requires replacement or professional repair. Once done, test with a known good original disk and your PSN account to confirm proper copyright validation. If problems persist, try the single-key troubleshooting tip. Test your disk in another working Ps3 or test another confirmed working disk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.